Nyo boleh. Mantap babu itu dia.
Okey lagi.
Okey lagi.
Ini dah belakang ni iPhone.
Girl dinner. So I'm having, you guys, leftover rice, a bunch of lettuce, and 2 eggs. Serious. Hi, so this is a little mini room tour for you guys, and I decided to film this room tour because I was just thinking about how maybe in a few years my room won't ever look the same, just because like I'm 22 this year, and I think that my mom is just gonna realize that I'm gonna grow old and, you know, I'm gonna get out soon. It's just a feeling, so I just thought I'd document this. But this is my first closet. If you compare it from my room tour back then, it's definitely like 2 different things. And this is my happiest purchase of the year, which is my first Dior bag. Thought I'd show you. This is the same sticker that I have had since I was 8 years old when we first moved in, and I don't know how long this is gonna stay, but it's here. It makes me happy just by looking at it. This is the closet that I use most often, especially when I'm back. It has all my clothes in it. And let's just not talk about my last closet, because this is just horrific and terrifying to look at. I don't use this at all, but somebody please remind me to clean this up, oh my god, during Raya, because it's been like this for almost 2 years. Like, I just stuff stuff in it. It's bad. And then moving over to the side, it's my big ass window, and I have a bunch of my luggages because I'm not here in KL for very long. I'm just here for like less than 7 days. And these organizers that I got from Shopee are life-changing. 100% must get. A lot of the furnitures you see in this video is unknown. Like, my mom or dad, they got these when I was young, like when I was 8, so I have no idea where all these from, and they could be custom made as well. But the one furniture that I know is from IKEA is the one next to the mirror. I always pick this book up whenever I come back home. I'll just read it again and again and again. It's so comforting. Like, if you're a woman, maybe from the urban area, like city, growing up in the city, I think you'll resonate a lot to this. Even so, you're not from the city, you're not a city girl, I think there are bits of Amrata's essay that you can resonate to. Moving over to this side, a lot of this furniture is like dead already because I lived here since I was 7? No, wait, no, 8 years old. No, actually, I don't know. 8 years old, 7? Yeah, maybe. But yeah, it's been a long time. So this one is from IKEA. I think it's a very familiar one. I just have my squishies. I love squishies till this day. I will never throw them out. And I'm just happy to know that my niece, Eva, Talia Iman, loves these. So I'm keeping them forever. It's my bed. Starts with this bag, and I have this handkerchief, bag handkerchief. It's to accessorize my bag, and this is from Duck. And this is my small pencil case from Sometime by Asian designer. I love this brand. They gifted this to me. And then I just have my blankie. This is from H&M. It's so comfortable. Here is the detail in case if anybody wants to get it, but it's nice to use it in the plane. How cute are my slippers? This one was gifted to me by my schoolmate back in boarding school. They were all the new Form 4s, and at that time I was also a new Form 4, and it was my birthday. I think that was the only time I felt connected and genuinely appreciated. Let's look at my bedside read. I have this book. I have this book. And this one. So a typical day in my life with Trisha when she's back in KL would be to have breakfast at least once with her mother at Coffee Bean KLCC, because that's literally the place that my mom loves going. I'll be honest, I don't really have a concrete relationship with my mother, especially when I was young, especially since I was young. But as an adult now, for her, having breakfast with her means a lot to her, so I kind of allocate my time for a little breakfast session with her. With my dad, it's a different story, but you'll see how I spend time with my dad in my next vlogs. Pack soon. Ta-da.
It is.
Okay, it is. Oh, ya Allah. Ni, are you getting the Milo?
This is scallops.
Thank you, Raja Pais. Why? Oh, faham. Oh, so tu dah awak tak rosak. Cuba masukkan. Wow. Later that evening, I decided to meet up with Kak Faha, which is my sister. She's the eldest in our sibling, and you might know her, you might not know her, but she means a lot to me, and I always make it mandatory to see her whenever I'm back, and also especially now that she has a child, which is my niece, Eva Talia Iman. I always make sure that I see both of them. Eva means the world to me, and lagi-lagi my sister Kafha. So here we was just having sushi, like amazing sushi at Malawati. It's called Midori Izayaka. Oh my god, this is embarrassing. It's called Midori something at Malawati, but the food here is just amazing. But you do have to make reservations because otherwise you can't go in. So this was just a fun night, and I just talked a lot with Kafa, and she's also just busy with life. So it's just really nice being able to see her. And she also took me to this other place in Ampang, and she told me like this is a great place to go on a date, like first date type of thing. So I'm just really happy and honored that I got to experience this first date type of thing with my own sister. And the food here was incredibly good, but I was already full then. But we had a few knickknacks, and that's my annoying brother. Oh my god. But yeah, it was time to say goodbye, and I was feeling a little bittersweet. Hey guys, I just got back and it's 10:45. I had so much food. I'm so full, but I have to take off my makeup and I have to clean because your girl is leaving tomorrow. And to be honest, I'm kind of glad I went back super late because I just feel more inclined to go back now. It's like there's a reason to go back because I have a lot of things that I've got to get done, and I feel very satisfied with my stay this time.